For over 40 years, Peaceful Valley Farm and Garden Supply has led the way in providing affordable and quality products for the organic farmer and gardener. And unlike most garden supply companies, we're committed to providing only natural and organic products. You'll never see any glyphosates or GMOs on our shelves. As a CCOF certified organic handler, we are selective in the quality and safety of what we carry. When we first started in 1976, our goal was to provide everything an organic garden or farm would need, from compost and soil amendments to pest control and tools, both the basics and the hard-to-find items. And we have stayed true to that goal. Year after year, we now carry over 5,000 products at groworganic.com and in our store. Here you can find everything you need to start your seeds, care for your garden year-round, cook up or preserve your homegrown veggies, and more. Our products are tested by staff members to make sure that they live up to our high standards. We've also developed our own Peaceful Valley brand of certified organic fertilizers, amendments, and seeds to provide a high quality and affordable option for your gardening needs. All of our seeds are packed on a unique and antique seed packaging machine, which packs our almost 400 varieties of herb and vegetables at 60 packets a minute. From heirloom apples to unique Zeiger blueberries, we have one of the biggest selections of bare root trees and berries on the West Coast, with over 250 varieties to choose from. For our local customers, we also sell organic veggies and herbs for transplanting and a wide variety of landscaping plants, including natives, water-wise, and deer-resistant choices. It's not just our vast selection of great products that keeps customers coming back, though. Our knowledgeable and dedicated staff makes shopping here a great experience, whether you shop online, by phone, or in the store. Our garden-savvy employees are ready to help you with your purchases. In fact, helping you learn more about growing organically is one of the most important aspects of our company. Our online resource center contains articles on nearly every gardening topic you could think of. And our over 240 YouTube videos have had more than 10 million views. We can answer a lot of questions. We're happy and proud to support our community and our customers as we all grow organic for life.